Good morning. Take a look at me. I'm already coated in snow, and I can tell you I've only been out here for 5 minutes. The wind is really whipping, and that's the problem. This light, fluffy snow gets blown easily with the wind. And as we were driving up here to Adams, we are on West Church Street. Visibility, whiteout. It was very difficult to travel. The roads are snow covered. You can see behind me here on West Church Street a little bit of snow. The plows are certainly out. Those are the only people we've been seeing this morning. And that wind still very gusty. So blowing the snow, drifting snow, still a problem. Look at this drift of snow. Little bit deep here, and especially when you're driving around in this, it's going to get slick quick. So speaking of road